Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on our Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to upload videos on Pinterest. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, you have to make your account a business account. Because if your account was a personal account, then you can't upload videos. So to change it to business account, tap on this icon right below. Then tap on these three dots up here. Now choose settings, then account management. After that, tap on convert to business account. As you see here, your content, profile, and followers will still the same. And you can change it to personal account whenever you want. So tap on convert account. Now add your profile name. Now add your website, and if you don't have one, tap on no website yet. Now describe your business. And the last step, ask you whether you're interested in running ads or not. So choose whatever you want. Once you're done, tap on done. Then next. Tap on next again. And also tap on next. As you see here, your business account is ready to go. Now to upload videos, you need to change your region to America. Now to see the changes, exit the app, then go back. Now go to your personal profile and tap on the plus icon. Now tap on Idea Pin, and now you can upload videos. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.